Hi guys, it's Madgie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing how my skin looks with and without makeup under a microscope. I'm going to be using this guy right here. It is a digital microscope that I got from Amazon. I will leave a link down below. This microscope can zoom up to 1000 times. So this is what I'm going to be using to see how my skin looks magnified. I did get this idea from Tina Young, which is a YouTuber. I thought it would be fun to do, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So subscribe if you aren't already, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my cheek first. There you go. I have a lot of blackheads. Oh wow. You can see all the lines that forms my skin, and you can also see a lot of hairs. As you can see, there's a lot of oil on my skin. I am very oily, and you can see my pores, and let me see, this is a dark spot from a pimple that I had. And right here you can see the discoloration from my skin. I'm going to zoom into that pimple right here. Oh my god. It does look a little nasty. This is my pimple. And next to it, where is it? Is my other one. You can see the discoloration, and you can see the pimple, and you can see lots and lots of hairs. There's another pimple with hair on it. That's another discoloration right there, and another one. For my cheeks, I mostly, oh, that's a lot of oil on my skin. Okay, so this is how my nose is looking like. Focus. Okay. Again, all you see is oil, a little bit of hair. For the most part, my nose is a lot smoother than my cheeks, but you can also see the oils also. And right here, that's my forehead. I have to focus it. There you go. You can see a lot more hairs. The hairs on my forehead is a lot shorter, I feel. There's another discoloration right here. And another one. Ew. And there you can see another discoloration. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my eyebrows. Oh, so this is my eyebrows. You can see the hair is a lot more coarse. Here you go. And yeah, you can see the oil that is on top of the hairs right there. Now we're gonna move on to the lashes. Where is it? Okay, there you go. This is my lashes. If it's twitching, it's me moving my eyes. It looks pretty clean for the most part, but I can see a little bit of oil that is laying on top of the lashes, but that's okay. I have this tag on top of my eyelids. I'm going to try to see if you guys can see it. And yes, I am oily on my eyelids, and there it is. This is the tag I have on my eyelids, or eyelid I should say. I have another tag right here. I can't find it. There you go. I have a bunch of little tags on my neck as well, and here it is. I'm going to try to find another one. And these are all my little tags from my neck. The last thing we're gonna look at is my chin. This is my chin, and this is my chin when I stretch it out. You can see all the little whiteheads. So I'm going to put on a full face of makeup, and then we're gonna be doing the same thing with the makeup, and we're going to see how my skin looks magnified with makeup on. So now that my makeup's done, we're going to see how my makeup looks magnified. Okay, so this is my cheek. I think I have a little bit of highlight on my cheek because you can see all the little particles. Ooh, I have a lot of hair right there. They do look less dark because obviously I have makeup on top of the little hairs. I'm going to move on to, whoa. Oh damn. This is my highlight. It looks really pretty. You can obviously see my hair. You can see all the little specks and particles. It almost looks like diamonds. Very pretty. Wow. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty highlight. I am wearing this one. I mixed a little bit of the two, and I got this. So this is this. Wow. Okay. This is my lids. I am wearing this color right here from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm wearing Nephrodite, which is this shade right here. So that shade is, yes, this. And of course this is the darker area. I'm going to move on to my forehead. You can kind of see my little, let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. You can see all my, what are those called? Whiteheads. You can see the little hairs. And from my cheek over here, you can still see the little specks of highlight on my cheek. I don't know what that is. This is my chin. Okay, let me focus. Oh wait, no. Okay. Ew. Okay. This is my nose. You can kind of see the makeup sitting on top of my skin a little bit. I have so many blackheads, I am so sorry. Let's move on to the eyebrows. Ew. This is how my this is my eyebrows. Oh my god. Obviously it's coated with the Anastasia de brow pomade. I use that, and it has a little bit of highlight on top of it. Okay, and I'm going to move on to my eyelashes. Hold on. Oh, ew. Okay. So this is how my lashes are looking like. Wait, hold on. It looks, I don't know. It looks disgusting a little bit. Okay, there you go. What are those black spots? I guess it's mascara. They look like little branches. Okay, so that was fun, right? I was a little bit surprised, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think my face was gonna look that bad, but you saw all my little hairs, and you saw all the oils that was sitting on top of my skin, and I had a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, and of course my discoloration. But yeah, it was a fun experience. This video might just encourage me and motivate me to take better care of my skin. I do exfoliate, but not that much, which tells me I should exfoliate a little bit more. For my makeup, when you saw everything magnified, I did like my highlight, of course, and my lid shade. They look like diamonds and they sparkled a lot, obviously. But yeah, I'm really happy I did this video. This little guy came in handy, obviously. Yeah, like I said, I will leave a link to this little device down below. I got it on Amazon. I will be doing another video trying this out with other things. If you have any questions or any suggestions to what I should look with this magnified, just let me know in the comments down below. I really enjoyed doing this video, and I hope it kind of motivated you to take better care of your skin. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and thumbs up this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.